G'day everyone, I hope your week has been fantastic. I hope all the Christmas shopping or finishing up for the year is going well. I wanted to take just a couple of minutes quickly to jump on the Facebook Live, and there's just some stuff that I want to share with you, and not only that, but there's a lot of gratitude that I want to express. So firstly, just to give you a bit of a sense about what the year looked like for not only Infinite Wealth but for the Infinite Family. So we this year we designed almost 500 individual strategies for our clients. You're probably talking close to 800 individual people, and something that's I'm just incredibly grateful for: people's trust, people's generosity, that they would want to do business with us, and they'd want to help them. They want us to help them achieve their goals, help them live the life that they really want to live. We had well over 3,000 people attend our workshops, and we've assisted our clients to implement something like, the final figures are not done yet, but it will have been probably over $60 million worth of investments. So, that's something that not only that I personally, as the Managing Director, am incredibly proud of, but also very thankful. We don't get to do what we do without our clients. So, and whether you're someone who's a client, maybe you're not someone that's necessarily been in one of our workshops, or maybe we haven't necessarily designed a strategy for you, but maybe you follow Facebook, maybe you read our blogs, maybe you pay attention to a lot of the content that we put out. Once again, we don't get to do what we do, and we don't get to be who we are without you. So just thank you very much for that. Beyond that, I also want to take a moment to thank all our suppliers. The businesses that we work with every single day to enable our clients to achieve what they want to achieve. Once again, we're all an essential ingredient in the recipe or in the cake that we build. So to our suppliers, who always do a fantastic job, who work with the level of customer service that we always demand from people. Thanks a lot, Gadir. I appreciate your comment there. That work with the same values that we have, the values of integrity, contribution to the community, professionalism, customer service. Once again, we couldn't do what we do without the assistance of our suppliers. A very special mention to every single member of our staff. Whether you're someone who is new with us, whether you're someone who works part-time for us, whether it be anything from one of our client managers to our receptionists, to our property managers, to our finance brokers, to our financial planners. This is one of the things that I'm most proud of, and I wish that I could say that I was responsible for it, but of course I'm not. There's, our management team have built this incredible group of people that I consider, our family, the Infinite Family. And once again, the reason why people work for us is not necessarily because they've got skills in, finance or in research when it comes to property investment. It's because they have those skills, and the values they have are the same as ours. They want to work in a culture that expects them to be their best, but a culture that also has, the tolerance for people to make mistakes, and people that want to make a difference in this world. It might seem a little bit, soft and gooey, but every single person that works at Infinite is here because they want to change the world. And I just thank you so much for allowing me the privilege of working with you every single day. And of course, not just our staff, but, being that we are the kind of company that, that wants to deliver above and beyond what most companies do, that generally requires people put in a lot of extra time, a lot of extra work than what most, I guess, employment positions might expect. And so, our staff couldn't do what they do without the support and the love and the gratitude and the generosity of their families. And, whether you work for us, or whether you're the partner of someone who works for us, or the child of someone who works for us, or the sibling of someone who works for us, in my eyes, you're all part of this family. I just really want to let you guys know how much you mean to me, and how important that is. Probably sometimes I don't express that enough, and if that's the case, if I haven't, then from the bottom of my heart, I just really want to say thank you. guys, you know, I know it's Christmas a couple of days away. I know that some, you know, plenty of our clients and family and staff don't celebrate Christmas, but, you know, if that's the case for you, then I wish you very happy holidays. And, you know, we will be, we are closing down the office for a couple of weeks. Of course, for our clients, don't worry. We've got skeleton staff so that, you know, everything that needs to get done will get, of course, done. But for many of our staff and for many people out there, you're going to have a couple of weeks off. And you know, I just really hope that you have a fantastic time. You get the opportunity to have a break and rest and recuperate, and, you know, eat lots of food and, you know, maybe drink some beer as well, or wine or champagne. Please have a very, very happy holidays or Merry Christmas. Please have a fantastic New Year. You know, I hope you get an opportunity to look back on, you know, the year that was, and you're proud of your achievements, just as much as I'm proud of the things that you and we have achieved together. And please have a fantastic and safe New Year. I want to see everyone back in the next year, and man, next year is looking like it's going to be an absolute cracker. So, you know, we look forward to working with everyone, you know, side by side, hand in hand, as people get to free themselves from the constraints of their finances and pursue the things that really matter to them, and make the kind of difference in the world that you want to make. Thank you very much, guys, and I look forward to speaking to you next year. Good night.